Why you need a mentor. Mentor in your business is the difference between riding a bicycle from New York to LA compared to riding a Bugatti from New York to LA. Bugatti's going to get you there a lot faster. Also, help you learn the basics of your local real estate market. Like number one, helping you find local resources, whether it's online or your county courthouse, to locate documents like deeds of trust, liens, and other documents that may affect profits or your strategy for investing. Number two is your limiting belief system, like the old school idea that you need money to buy real estate. You do not. You don't even need a bank. You just need courage, a contract, and a motivated seller. Also, they'll help you point out other limiting belief systems that you may be blind to, like the one I just pointed out before, or even believing that you can't do this for whatever reasons. A mentor is good for helping find any limiting belief systems you may have. Number three is how to talk to sellers. You're there to solve their problem, which their problem is that house that they inherited or they have it's not producing any income and it's just costing them money on a monthly basis or a yearly basis. Also remember, you are the buyer, not the seller. You're not there to sell them anything, you're there to buy. So if that deal is not profitable for you, then time to move on and go find another deal. These are just 3 reasons why you need a mentor. This course is designed to help you get in with your local real estate investors, develop the mindset, and learn investors math, how to find deals, and how to market deals, and basically just get you started in real estate investing. If you don't do the work, you're not going to see any results. You need to do the work. So, proceed to take action and rock and roll.